So I have this Frigidaire dishwasher here I'm going to winterize. Just tied into the sink down below here. Pardon the mess in there, but anyways. You got the flex line right in the front. What I'm going to do is I have all the water shut off and drained in the rest of the house now. And I'm going to drop about a quart of antifreeze right down in the drain pan down there. I just have RV and marine antifreeze. Just going to drop about a quart right down in the bottom there. All the water's off right now. Here's the bottom of the sink. We got the flex line tied right into the water line there. And then the drain line just comes right up like normal right into the garbage disposal. Just gonna go ahead and dump about a quart right down there. I'm gonna wipe up there when I'm done. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to close it here. I'm gonna turn it on, I'm gonna hit rinse. Just for about 30 seconds. And then hit start. And you can hear the gurgling of the antifreeze going back through the drain line there, so you know it's getting all the water out of there, out of the line. After about 30 seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. I'm gonna open it up, cancel it. And it should have blown the antifreeze through, right up through the garbage disposal here. So it should be all set. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the flex line right there. It's not gonna hurt. Probably could leave it, but I'm just gonna pull it off anyways and get whatever excess water's in there. And we should be all set. As it was rinsing, I could actually see the antifreeze blowing through, so I know it was getting through everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe up that in the bottom there. And we should be all set. Got that flex line all disconnected.